Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by S&OP Academy. Topic 1. Supply Chains, Demand Management, and Forecasting. Section 3. Demand Management. Lesson 3. Collaborative Demand Management. Lesson 03. Collaborative Demand Management 1. Why this lesson matters, the hook for beginners. In the previous lessons, the student likely learned about forecasting, predicting the future, and basic demand management, trying to shape demand. However, in the real world, a company cannot operate in a vacuum. A manufacturer might forecast they will sell 10,000 units, but if their key retail partner plans to run a promotion and expects to sell 15,000, there is a disconnect. This lesson introduces the concept of breaking down silos and working together. 2. Core concept. What is collaborative demand management? At its heart, collaborative demand management is the process of moving from internal guessing to joint planning. It recognizes that the best demand plan is created when different departments within a company, and even different companies in the supply chain, share information. The lesson will likely introduce the philosophy of 2 heads, or more, are better than 1. 3. Key elements covered in the lesson. The why benefits for a beginner to understand. Reduced uncertainty. When you know what your partner is planning, you have less noise in your data. Fewer stockouts or overstocks. Aligning plans helps ensure the right amount of product is available. Better customer service. The end customer finds what they want, when they want it. The who, internal versus external collaboration. Internal collaboration. Getting different departments in the same company to talk. Sales knows about a big deal coming up. Marketing knows about a new ad campaign. Finance knows about budget constraints. Supply chain needs to know all of this to plan effectively. External collaboration. Sharing plans with other companies. Suppliers. Telling a raw material provider your future needs so they can prepare. Customers. Retailers. A classic example is a soda company, like Coca-Cola, collaborating with a grocery store chain, like Walmart, to plan for the summer season. The process. CPFR. The lesson will likely introduce the industry standard acronym, CPFR, Collaborative Planning, Forecasting, and Replenishment. This is a structured way for companies to work together. Collaborative planning. Agreeing on the big picture, e.g., we will run a promotion in week 5. Collaborative forecasting. Sharing data and creating a single, agreed upon forecast, e.g., based on your promotion and our past data, we agree we will sell 15,000 units. Replenishment. Using that agreed plan to automatically ship and restock products. The technology. A beginner lesson will touch on the tools that make this possible. This isn't just done with phone calls and spreadsheets anymore. It involves cloud-based platforms, where partners can log in and see the same data. Data sharing. Point of sale, POS, data from the retailer going directly to the manufacturer. 4. A simple real-world example for the student. Imagine a company that makes umbrellas. Old way. The umbrella factory looks at last year's sales data and produces 10,000 umbrellas. They ship them to a department store. The department store, however, just got a weather forecast predicting a very rainy month and had planned to put the umbrellas on a front-page sale ad. They sell out in a week and miss out on weeks of potential sales. Collaborative way. The umbrella factory and the department store share their plans. The store tells the factory, "We are running a big ad next month and expect to sell 20,000. The factory says, "Great, we will adjust our production to make 25,000, to cover you in our other stores." Both companies win. 5. Summary for the lesson. The lesson will conclude by reinforcing that in modern supply chains, success depends on trust and information sharing. Collaborative demand management is the strategy that turns the supply chain from a simple line, company A to company B, into a connected network, company A less than to company B. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.